So this is a test. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Talking about whole life costing versus price. Quite different. Whole life costing is holistic. Price isn't. So quick example. If I want to look at the whole life cost of importing a pack of peanuts, I will not just look at the price I paid for that peanuts. I will look at the cost or the price I paid for, or the price I'm likely to pay for shipping, right? The price of doing my due diligence, reviewing the supplier, checking their background, yes. I will look at the price of processing it and so on, right? So all those other elements of price will come together as cost, looking at the whole life cost. Testing 1, 2, 3.